That's the Cuomo. Woo! Taryn made 2 new best friends. Cologne, the 4th most populous city in Germany, provided us with lots of historical and modern architecture. Christmas markets, as we were there in December, lots of drinks. More for me. Gluttonous food. There you go, Schnitzel Queen. And some nice family time. Our first mission was to meet up with Neil and Tacye at the Cologne Cathedral, an amazing, intricate Gothic-style Catholic cathedral in the center of town.
Morning!
We made it to Cologne. After an 8-hour night bus ride, we had a few hours sleep.
It was a little bit rough.
And now we're going to the cathedral to meet Neil and Tacye.
Woo! Woo!
We'll see them in a few minutes.
Yeah.
It's in our sights. We're almost there.
Cross.
We can see it.
Cross.
Yeah, it looks like it. Hello.
So you made it before.
How you doing?
Yeah, before 12:30.
Yeah, not bad, right?
I think it's hilarious that you guys have been doing this forever.
After meeting up, we headed straight to the Christmas markets.
Oh, Boo lining it up.
After the 3rd one yesterday, Mom was right for it.
Then came what seemed like the longest Ferris wheel ride ever. It just kept going and going and going. Hello. And going some more. Oh yeah, it's still going. I'm not sure it's gonna end, actually. Maybe it's coming to an end soon. Ah, here we go.
Steps off the back. Steps off the back were the most dangerous part because there's one and there's another one. There's another one. So like you're just about, and they're short.
Hard for little legs.
These are gorgeous. Oh, yeah, I do remember.
It's not as thin as the one we had. Give it a try, Neil. It's thick. There we go. Broke the seal.
Very good.
That's very good as well.
No, the best ones are better.
There you go, you have a reason to go.
Should we get this wall hanging for the cabin, Taryn?
Look at this guy. He's really
Just hang him right on the wall.
It's quite sweet. He's very soft.
After an awesome day exploring the Christmas markets and having our fair share of Glühwein, we went for dinner here. The next morning, we split ways with Neil and Tacye as they took the train to Nuremberg. No, not that train. this train. We'll meet up with them again in Berlin, though, and continue the family fun. Don't worry. But for now, Taryn and I have lots of fun things planned. First, a good old-fashioned beer tour, where we went to several pubs and learned some tips and tricks for drinking in Cologne. Number 1, if the coaster's under your glass, you'll be brought another beer. 2, place the coaster on top of your glass if you're finished. Number 3, always cheers with the bottom of your glass, as the top is thin and fragile. 4, Domrot is certainly not the favorite. And 5, the number of beers you've had is tallied on your coaster for payment later. 4 for me.
There you go, you get to pay for them because you're the guy.
Yeah.
Beer on the way. Our supermarkets are closed on Sundays and at night. And there we can get whatever we need to survive, like beer, liquor, cigarettes, ravioli and tents, condoms. So all the essentials. This is one of the few kiosks that still has this beer. It used to be the workers' beer here in Cologne. It was always the cheapest beer you could get, until one day they had the brilliant idea to adapt the prices to the other breweries to make the same money, and all the workers said, okay, well, if it's the same price, we can drink the good stuff instead. So it's a wonder that breweries still exist. It's Kuppas Coach. Dom Coach is certainly not the favorites. Cheers.
That's the bottom, right?
Toilette 50 Cent, ja. Ihr macht wieder einen.
Also du kannst mir dafür dann auch direkt einen Rüstungsblick machen. Und sie sold 100,000 liters of the beer.
Danke. Danke. Four for me. Prost!
The wind seems to be going everywhere. Doesn't matter which way you face, it's hitting you in the face.
Really?
Had to get out of the snow so we came and get a beer. Okay. It's gotten pretty windy. It's a bit crazy out here. The dom's closed because there's a concert inside, so we can't go in there. So we're just going to walk through the Christmas market a little bit. Yeah. Silly curling for sure. That's cool.
There you go, Schnitzel Queen.
Schnitzel.
How are you gonna eat all that?
I'm not sure. It's a good thing that we're sharing.
That's like an average meal.
More than. Maybe start with that and I can give you more of.
When one meal becomes two. So we just got out of that schnitzel place, and that was crazy. We ordered one meal, and we could have split it between like 4 people.
There was so much meat.
We saw one plate go by, and the schnitzel was so big it was like falling off the side of the plate.
On 2 ends.
It was crazy.
Yeah. It was delicious, obviously.
With tip, our meal costs just under 30 euros. We had 2 beers each, and a huge plate of schnitzel and fries.
And mushroom gravy,
yeah,
which was really good.
Definitely suggest going there if you're in Cologne.
Yeah,
that was unreal.
It was a very good stop. But you saw some people ordering just one for themselves.
Oh, I don't know how they'd finish it. It's crazy.
That's great, but yeah, without taking some like leftovers, I don't know. It was so big.
Yeah.
Anyways, it was a win.
Win for sure.
And now we're in food coma, trying to find our way back to our house. So full. Hello.
So it's our last day in Cologne. And we decided that we have to check out these baths.
Yep, we just got to the Claudius Therm baths. So nice and thermal hot spring baths, and we're excited to check them out.
Let's do it.
The left side is entrance. You can do
Okay, out there. So they don't allow photography inside the baths, so we didn't get any footage from in there.
It was beautiful though.
It was beautiful and it was amazing. And we got a free yoga class, aquarium yoga.
Yeah, aquarium. It was
Instructor
very fun.
just like came in and started doing it while we were in the pool, so that was pretty sweet. And now we're out and we're trying to get to the tower on time because there's this awesome sunset. Hard to see. But
hard to appreciate through the GoPro.
But it's there and it's amazing. So we'll see if we can get to the tower. At the top of the tower, we can see the dome.
The Cologne Triangle.
Cologne Triangle. Yeah, we're gonna see if we can get up there. So we'll see. We didn't get to the tower. It's too dark, but we're gonna check out this restaurant. Castrate. Can't go wrong with that. That's amazing pork chop with onions and French fries. Absolutely delicious. Get that wind in your face.
Wild and free. Natural. This is me. Such a shit.
Okay, so I wrote a song for Taryn about her favorite beer. Here it goes. Half of ice, half of ice, bless the sweet beer forever. Cold and smooth citrus blues, with a large slice of orange. Half of ice, half of ice.
This guy.
Bless the German beer forever.
Ooh. Excellent. Oh, wait.
What's the last line?
Last line. Terran's beer. Terran's choice, the German brew. looking for a hint from remembering the
Damn
line.
it.
Terrence Choice is a German choice.
No.
Prost.
Hefeweiss is Terrence Lies. Prost, Prost, Prost. There we go.
I didn't like